In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Ahrefs for free. If you're looking to delve into SEO and need a robust tool for analyzing your website without paying for a full subscription just yet, then you're in the right place. Ahrefs, as many of you might know, is a powerful tool that provides insights into your website's SEO performance, competitor analysis, and much more. But what if you're just starting out and want to explore it without the hefty price tag? Luckily, there are some options that allow you to use Ahrefs without reaching for your wallet. So, let's dive right in. One of the best strategies to access Ahrefs' functionalities for free is by utilizing their webmaster tools. This offering is particularly beneficial for website owners who want to get their feet wet in the world of SEO analytics without any initial investment. To get started, you'll first need to verify your own site. This is an important step because it ensures that you're the legitimate owner of the site, granting you access to the necessary data. Once you've successfully verified your site, you're granted free access to a suite of powerful tools and insights into your website's SEO. Now let's talk about what you can actually do with Ahrefs Webmaster Tools once you have access. Crucially, this includes getting valuable data like your website's backlink profiles. Backlinks are essentially other websites linking back to yours, which are pivotal for SEO as they significantly impact your search engine rankings. Being able to see who links to your site and the quality of those links can help you strategize effectively to strengthen your SEO game. In addition to backlinks, you can also explore your top pages. This feature allows you to see which pages on your website are performing best in terms of attracting traffic and engaging visitors. Knowing this can guide you in optimizing other pages on your site, structuring your content, and focusing your efforts on what truly matters. Furthermore, Ahrefs' free tools also provide insight into keyword rankings. Knowing which keywords are driving traffic to your site helps you understand your audience better and can guide future content creation. It gives you a snapshot of how your site is performing in search engines, so you can identify what's working and what needs improvement. While the free tools offered by Ahrefs won't cover every advanced feature available in their paid subscriptions, they do provide a substantial and practical starting point for anyone eager to bolster their site's SEO without an upfront investment. So there you have it, a way to start leveraging the power of Ahrefs without opening your wallet. Enjoy exploring these insights and start making data-driven decisions to improve your website's online presence. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.